carrying on from yesterday. Not really sure where I was, but anyway, where we were at now is looking at the dice. These holes here are too rough, and that is a factor of, I think it's going to be into, no, not materials, into modifier. It's not that one. That one, actually yes it is. So we're in the subdivision modifier, and I mentioned, I think that to my mind it would make sense if it had a better name like smoother, because we look at this here and then we increase there, and once more, then allegedly at some cost to the CPU or GPU, that's just right, plain right. Okay, that's good. So having done, so everything is smooth as we want it to be, and now we'll, in fact, let's go back to Z and rendered, and that's looking good. The shiny, I'd like it to be even shinier, but right now I'm not concerned about that. What I do want to do now is to select each of these and fill them with white. At the moment, our what modifiers do we have? We've only got red, so we'll add in our white. And now, good, okay, there's base color. So from lessons previously learned, the base color, also what you have available to you within materials, is dependent on the rendering engine that you have chosen. And the fact that I have base, that I have base color available tells me that I'm in the EV engine. Okay, so now I need to go back to edit mode, and probably back to solid mode. So in here, that's interesting, the poke is not that obvious, but that's okay, let's not worry about that right now. So we're in edit mode, and we now want to, he talks about clicking B, but didn't really understand what that, why that was a thing, why that was necessary. Yeah, because you're only selecting one of the sides when you do that. We're in edge mode, we can see. So we'll select, start again, didn't hold down the click. So, release. That's interesting, that stayed there. Okay, so that's 5 of them selected, and now we want to, it was there, but I just didn't see it last time, the modifier, so, the assign button underneath the colour. So, with the 5 holes highlighted, I can now press assign, and on the face of it, nothing changes. Let's go back to, say, select mode, and let's go to Z and rendered, and there we've got our white, and it's not as, I've left out some somehow, okay, it's not as emphatic because I've managed to pick the kind of dark side evidently, but that's okay, the holes are round and they are white. That's what I wanted to do.